Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on Nvda. Today we have a overlapping lower value day. See, the Camarilla R3 is at 188.25, S3 is at 184.70. Yesterday R3 was at 191.49 and S3 was at 187.02. Alright, so the trader's moving in profit now. So that's why I use the Mama Bear strategy. So we have the R3 rejection right here. Well, let me make this bigger. Hold on. Right, so we have R3 up here. That's R3 right there. So I took two shorts before. One was here, added to the position, had to break out, stop out at break even. Took another short here, stopped out at break even. And this is the third time around. So I got a lower entry at 186.82. This setup isn't so good because you know I'm below R1 right now. See, I'm looking at this could potentially be a ABCD pattern. The way volume is falling off with the pullback. We're back here at VWAP, so I'm not liking the setup too much. The entry is too close to VWAP. See, VWAP is this white line right here. You see how it's showing support right there. I don't like the entry. These entries were better, you know. These entries right here, but this one was below R1. And I'm not seeing too much selling on the tape. On the tape, the purple orders going by here is supposed to be the selling orders, the bids, the ones that's hitting the bid. And not really seeing too much of that. So I don't know. Alright, so the level 2 just flipped to the bid side, so the bid is heavier right now. Still got some buyers coming, some sellers coming in though. Alright, so we're getting the breakdown now. We're seeing some bids on the time and sales. And hopefully we headed to my target at 185. We got S1 right here at 185, 185.90. I mean that's S1, and S2 is at 185.30. So I got stopped out here a couple of times at break even, so I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't pull down my stop to break even just yet. Maybe I should let it break 185.90. But then again, we have this happening, so I don't know, let's see. Alright, with this wick rejection right here, I think I might move my stop down to like just above this candle right here, 187.23. And sometimes when I move my stop down like that, like within the trade, it's like it's keeping the risk to reward the same. So like when we get like a wick rejection right here, some support, and then we kind of bounce around like this candle, right? The original entry was here at 186.82. So if we get down to here, I kind of take the same risk as if like I entered right here. So if the candle ended up at 186.24, then I could move down my risk from 187.50 to 187.23. That's how I kind of work it out in my mind, you know. So it's like wherever the candle got to, the bottom right here, that's how I'm gonna risk it, you know, just like how I risk the first entry, you know. And that's how I get to like the break-even point. So if we push down here like around 185, 87, 88, then I could justify bringing it down to break-even, because we maintaining the same risk as the original entry. Well, somewhat of the same risk, not exactly, you know. Alright, the bid side is still heavier, but we have some asks jumping up here on the ladder as well, so that's why we're getting this support here at 186. I think this is probably the initial balance set for the day, right here at R3. So it's either we're gonna have a range there, like we're gonna move back and forth, or we're gonna just, I don't know, maybe catch support here and just keep moving higher, you know. Let's see what she do. Let's see what she do. Volume is still a little low down here. It's below average. That's good for the trade, but it's not looking good right now though. We just above VPOC right here, this white dotted line. And again, this is the Mama Bear strategy, or like a B minus entry, you know, because this would have been better entries for the Mama Bear. And even this, the breakdown of R2, but this last trade here is a little subpar, the entry below R1. I'm not seeing any bids getting hit on the time and sales. Yeah, look like we're gonna get stopped out. Alright, so that's how much? 3 trades already. So I think I'm gonna take my loss for today. It's like half hour. So that's 0.5% loss today. So I think I'm gonna stop trading right now, because it's not setting up the way I want it to, you know. Maybe if it comes up here again, but I think I took enough tries here for the Mama Bear strategy. It's too much strength showing here, like off the support of S3. Now we're getting support off of S1. We had some volume come in here, so we might get a bullish run and a breakout today. So looking at this from a bullish perspective, we have rising volume, right? We have rising, well, we got support here at S1, and we're pushing up now. The same fib line I have here from a previous day. I think the first day I think it was from Monday. So this is one of those fib lines, and we have a lot of rejection from this area here, this yellow line. But it's not, I don't know, maybe I could take one more stab at this. but I don't know, man. It's looking kind of bullish right now. Alright, so I'm looking at the time and sales. We ain't getting much bids getting hit. We have some rejection at this area again. Let's see if the volume comes in here and we get some initiative buyers coming in and pushing price higher. Yeah, the bullish play is looking like it's gonna jump off here, man. Let's see. The ask is starting to get, the ladder is looking a little heavy on the ask side, so maybe we're getting the breakout here. Let's see. Alright, we got some bids getting hit. I don't know, man. Maybe I should take a chance with this again. What is the entry, man? Alright, so I'm gonna take a chance here. 187.66. Taking another short. Same Mama Bear strategy, rejecting R3 in a lower value, overlapping lower value day on the Camarillas. 187.66. I'm gonna put my stop at 188.50. Let's see. Alright, so we're taking one more shot at this. I guess this is considered like a double top right here. Got some bids getting hit. The time and sales lit up right there. Still mixed though. We got them white orders coming in. We got some buying coming in as well. Heavy volume coming in as well. Big wick rejection. But we still have some support here at 187.42. I think I might add to the position at 187.40 on the breakdown. 187.38. Let's see. Alright, so I added to the position. Let's get the time and sales back. Come on, don't fake me out. As soon as I add it, just bounce up on me. Honestly, I'm not liking this price action, man. This trade is getting too tricky. I think if it pops up and it breaks above this level here again, I'm out. I'll give it till 188, and that's gonna be my stop, because I'm not liking how this price action is moving. Alright, so I'm all out at 188. Let me see what happens here, because all this bullish action right here with this candle, but I'm still looking at this wick rejection right here. This might be okay, but now that I added to the position, maybe I shouldn't have added, because I got all these attempts here that failed. Maybe I should not add to the position, just leave it at a small size, you know, because now I gotta manage my risk by keeping the stop loss kind of tight, you know. So and now the ask is heavier on the level 2. Yeah, I don't like this trade. I don't like this trade. Should I just close it now, man? Yeah, I think I'ma just close out this trade, because I don't think it's going in my favor. See all this back and forth. I don't like to be in trades like that when it's so when it's taking so long to work out. It usually doesn't work in your favor. It's usually building to go in the next direction, you know. I guess this here, these wick rejections is just kind of like baiting the bears, you know. Stuff like this is just baiting the bears, and then you get this reaction back up. Well, let's see. Let's see, it's 1023, so it's still maintaining the initial balance, which is right here, and the lows of right here. And when I say initial balance, I mean that's the price range of like the first hour of trading. So that's usually the initial balance, you know. They say that a lot of professional traders, they work off of this. So at 10:30 they start putting money to use, you know what I mean. They start putting their money to work at these levels. So it's either they're gonna break out, or they're gonna short and, you know, go back into value, or they're gonna take the breakout and, you know I'm saying, look for a lower value. So let's see what they're doing. Alright, so we had low volume come in here on this candle, kind of like a doji candle, right after the initial signal of going short, which is this kind of shooting star candle, which is a bigger signal than this one, although this one had more volume. You see, I think it might still break down, but I might still get stopped out. That's the thing. I think my stop is maybe in a bad place. Volume is dropping off. So to me, this same thing happened here, where the volume dropped off on the pullback, and it's looking like maybe like a ABCD pattern setting up here again, like just how it had this and a push up, I think this is the ABCD pattern again. Alright, I think, man, I keep on contemplating, but they're gonna stop me out. Right, so that's it. It's a red day. It's looking like it's a bullish setup. They're gonna break out here now. Right, so we're getting this run up. We're gonna get the breakout of R3 right here, and yeah, that's the trade. You see, we keep on getting these wick rejections. I think at this point now it's just baits in the bears. You know, it's just a bear trap. These wicks on top here is just bear trapping. Alright, y'all, that's my red day for today. It's your boy King Nvda, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.